that movement that took place from all the way from the United States right on to Freetown. How many hours did you take? Almost like 2 days.
Tomorrow is the Citizenship Engagement Workshop. That's what you paid your money for, right? So, and the government plans that, and they go through the history of Sierra Leone, government is, how to start a business, they talk about that. So, what's about Thursday?
Yeah.
This is so beautiful. Amazing. So today I am here. We are going to be doing our citizenship workshop today, getting everything started. I'm assuming we're going to learn all about the history of Sierra Leone, learn about the different opportunities that we have that we can make an impact here, ways that we can volunteer. So I'm super excited. You guys see this view? Like, right? Like, this is where we come from. This is our home that they tell us, you know, what Africa, this is what Africa actually looks like.
From the audience, any volunteer to lead us in this prayer?
Lord, we ask you to bless this meeting and all the speakers, their families, and to bless this country in the direction that you want it to go, for prosperity, for loving each other, and for taking care of each other. Amen.
I will call on someone to volunteer to lead us in Muslim prayers.
This is a time that we've set aside to educate our new citizens that are coming in about the do's and don'ts of the country. You will not be granted a passport without you knowing about your country, without you knowing about your rights, without you knowing about how to invest, without you knowing about how to meet and greet people. So these are key things that you should know. And I want to congratulate all of you here for taking the time to know your roots, You know, like he said at Leo, if you don't know Usa you, they go, no Usa you promote. And all of you guys have found out where you came from. Kudos to all of you.
But there are times when you need to talk to yourself and say, I need to know my roots. Look at me, look at my color, look at my eyes. I wonder if there is any difference between you and me. Between you and the ladies here, the gentlemen here. If somebody walks into this room, except to tell them that these are brothers from afar. Because like my good friend sitting there, he looks very much like my cousin. So we all very much look alike. There is little difference, except when you speak. That is when maybe people will say, the accent of this person, or maybe the questions you ask, or maybe the places you want to go to. That's really what will make people think, oh, you know, this person is new, or this person maybe is visiting.
Some people resisted. Some of our mothers even resisted that they would die before going across. So for some of us here today, we are a product of those powerful people. So if you think in this present day that you are not powerful, then you are lying to your thoughts. You are a very powerful people. Let us understand that, because our generations before us were kings and queens.
That movement that took place from all the way from the United States right on to Freetown. How many hours did you take? 20. Almost like 2 days. So, like maybe fathers, mothers, it's like ancestral codes. Like they're calling upon you. It's like a home call for that freedom. You have to fight. We've been fighting. So now we're no longer fighting, but it's like you come now and embrace that freedom. We've been fighting for so long. Let me say, for instance, when you get to Bones Island, I don't know if you've been there already. I want you to be seriously immersed at Bones Island, because that's where it all started. They took them, some willingly, and most of them were not willing at all. So that going back, that going out, it's like them coming back representing you. It's their souls in you coming back to actually sit and feel and get that, I don't know how to put it. It's like you have to feel that, get to know the deep history, how it all happened, how they felt, so that you can get the history back, and then you get to know who the Sierra Leonean people are, who we all are.
From the moment that I got here. I came here because my ancestors called me. So this for me is not just like, oh, I just found out about this, but I got my results in 2003. So I've known for a while, it's just that I was not able to come back home until now. But in June, the drums started beating. They said, come on home. And just being open to different things. I did not come here as an American, did not. I'm a Sierra Leone. And so it's been wonderful. Thank you.
Yes. Authorities who have been doing so well. Mr. Dinah Samir. You all, Dinah, we thank you too. The government of Sierra Leone appreciates you. And keep up the good work. He's a Sierra Leonean, by the way, so we thank you as well. And there is another man that we always fight. He's my buddy, but we always fight. is my main man, but who fight all the time. Mr. Diallo Sondri. Thank you so much. AfricanAncestry.com. Thank you. We appreciate you all.
The staple dish here is rice and sauce, known as plastas. If you are invited to somebody's home, have a look in the kitchen and learn more about the local way of cooking.
One exercise that you get to do. So quickly find the person next to you and you become a team.
It's okay. Yo, I got it in my budget. Thank you.